We're literally behind a Walgreens right now. Don't even know if I'm supposed to be here, but we gotta do the intro for this video. Where do I even start, guys? There was so much nostalgia and just a really good feeling inside of me making this whole video. It was awesome. It not only made me think about everything we've done to this car and where we started, but everything we've done throughout the channel. We have literally documented every single step that we've done on this car and how much we've grown together, and it's just been a really amazing experience. And this video, it's just, I love it. There's clips from this video from when we had 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, 500, 10,000, and right now we're at almost 17,000. It wouldn't have been possible without you guys, so thank you so much. And I really hope you guys get inspired by this video and that we continue to grow together as a team. Yeah, that's a little intro I wanted to do. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up and subscribe. We upload some lit videos every week. And yeah, here's my amazing 370 transformation. Hope you guys enjoyed. Well, I guess this is where it all starts. Boys, they're here. Test pipes. Holy crap, that's loud! Oh my, insane! Oh my god. This video hits 200 likes, that wing is gonna stay on the car forever. Oh, that's so nice. Finally, bros, we finished. Dang, it turned out so clean. Absolutely love how this car looks now. mom texted me that when she was leaving the house, she saw the boxes on the side. So, boys, let's go ahead and go home because the wheels are in. So here we go, boys. These are huge. They look so big. Oh my god. Do you like them? Do you like them? Nice. They're like so simple. They look nice. I really like them. They're like so simple. Yeah. I really like them. They look like. Yeah. How big this look like when it's not on the tire or on the car? Does it look like when it's not on the tire or on the car? Does it huge? But anything, but it was like 338 for both instead of like 1,000 plus for the. So we're finally gonna go ahead and put the 305 on this. Guys, look how thick this is. This is one wheel right here, guys. For all of you bros that thought I was a racer because of tire letters, this for you. Here's Brittany without any tire letters. We're gonna upgrade and give her a nice little still in Gen 3 touch. Still in Gen 3's baby. This is pretty crazy. Look at this. Nightshade and not nightshade. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? That looks pretty sick. Turn it on. Guys, this looks pretty sick. And yup, here we are. Right where we did the intro, we're gonna do the outro. So here she is, guys. As you saw from the video, here's the progress we have been able to do in 2 years, almost 3 years. I'm super proud of it, super proud of it. Not only what we've been able to do with this, but also how much we've grown as a team and the channel and just the connection I have with you guys. And we're just super close now. And obviously, bros, it's not over yet. This is just the start. We still got so much, but like so much to do to this car. It's gonna be crazy. Definitely my favorite video that I've ever made because I was able to look back at where we started. That's something we can never forget, guys. We can never forget where we started. We really can. But yeah, technically we're still at where we started because we're just getting started, to be honest. We're just getting started. Brittany and I and us and the 300, we're just getting started. Anyways, all right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys as always. Don't forget to subscribe. And I really hope to make the same video with the 300ZX. We really gotta get to working on that. I really want you to comment down below, how long have you been watching the channel for? All right, love you guys. Regular scheduled programming, Tuesday and Friday. I'll see you next time. Probably gonna make a sick video. Peace out. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, and commenting. Peace.